Today we're making some burnt caramel sauce. This is Isaac and welcome back to the channel. So unlike salted caramel, burnt caramel is massively underrated. Its bitterness actually goes really well with a lot of sweeter desserts like brownies and cakes. And it's also super easy to make, so let's get started. We'll begin by putting 150 grams of sugar in the pan over a medium-high heat. After about 2 or 3 minutes you'll start to see the edge go brown just like this. Give it a good shake to help it melt evenly. The trick here is not to stir because the sugar will crystallise and you'll have a lumpy caramel sauce. And we don't want that, we want a nice silky smooth one. If you want a normal caramel sauce you can stop here, but for us we're going to go further by cooking it for a minute or so longer. Now keep a very close eye on this because it burns very quickly. The longer you leave it, the more bitter it will become. Now I normally stop when it's 1 or 2 shades darker than before, just like you see in the video now. And once you're happy with the colour, just turn down the heat to low so it doesn't continue to burn. And to get that silky smoothness, we're going to add some butter and just gently stir it in. Okay, so once the butter's all mixed in, you want to turn off the heat completely. And then, slowly, very slowly, mix in your double cream. The mixture is very hot, so please be careful. Give it a few minutes to cool before transferring it to an airtight container. So here are the two sauces side by side again, so you can see the difference. As I said before, the darker the colour, the more bitter it will become. And personally I wouldn't recommend going any darker than this because you want the bitterness to be quite subtle and not too overpowering. You can use these sauces in so many ways. I've made brownies with them, I've made molten lava cakes with them. I'm going to share some of my favourite recipes using this sauce in the next couple of weeks, so if you haven't subscribed, now's a great time to do so. And if you have a favourite burnt caramel recipe, please let me know down below. I'm always up for trying new things. Anyway, we're done for today. I'll see you guys next week.